Hello, it's Deborah Kling, the Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Kling Group, your real estate professional. I hope you are better than good. My August issue of Homeward has been published. In it I reveal how the hot weather is not the only thing hot right now. It may very well be time to consider investing in real estate. Again, as you know, my team and I are experts at helping you create wealth with real estate, and speaking of wealth, a great reason to get more is to give more. This year, my team and I are on a mission to raise $50,000 for Food-Raising Friends this calendar year. In case you missed it, we donate a portion of our income from home sales to a worthy cause. Your support and contributions will enable us to meet our goals by fighting hunger in our hometown. Your generous donation will fund our mission. We remove barriers between children who are at risk or experiencing hunger and the food they need to improve education. We are committed to donating a portion of our income from home sales to this very worthy cause. So your referrals really do help the kids. Who do you know considering buying or selling a home? You could refer to my real estate sales team. Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service and ironclad guarantees, but the kids through Food-Raising Friends Incorporated will benefit as well. Just give me a call or pass my number on to anyone you know considering buying or selling. My number is 850-502-8600. Thank you and go serve big.